Okay, so this is called Geonet, and it's for social studies. One of the neat first things is this called Kids Place, and there's a spot for educators, students, and families, and it can help you find textbooks for supplemental material. Down here, we also see um, like current events, and this takes us to links where kids can go to further find information on what their current events are. There are also brain teasers and just sites for using the webs. So that was one really neat thing, um, supplemental to the Geonet. Next, we come here, and this is where the interactive begins. And there's a tracker right here who keeps track of how many points you get. And you have two maps in which you can choose from the United States and the world. So I'll choose the United States. And you'll click on a flag right here, and it'll start quizzing you. And so we can go to United States again, and we can either pick level 1 or level 2. Level 2 is harder, so we'll go here first off. And you have 6 categories. The first one is the world in spatial terms, so that's location, places and regions, physical and human characteristics, physical systems, land, air, water, and living things. Human systems, population, culture, and independence, environment, society, human environmental interactions, and the uses of geography, which just changes over time. So we'll start here. And here the students will take quizzes or answer questions. And so I'll just click one, and I happen to have got it right. And so he says, because the United States weather comes from the west, the prevailing winds, and we can click on that, and there's a glossary here. So that's really good for the students, where they can further their vocabulary and by being able to click on and finding the definitions. And so, I can quit, and I can go to like base camp, which just starts me all over again. And so it's the same thing with the world. Just whatever areas I want, just click. China is bordered by, let's say, 6 countries. It's not. So we try again. 36. It's not. So we just keep trying, switching categories or getting a new question. And Chester, our friend here, will update us on more information. But that's basically the site.